welcome back to another Minecraft video, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Yo, I'm gonna ring this bell. Yo, guys, I'm gonna build me a house on the fly. I'm gonna build me a house right. Yeah, guys, build a normal house. Those bricks. This one. Windows. Door. A white door, no? Yeah, that door. There. And then there's red blocks. And yeah, I'm gonna give me armor because in that because I'm gonna make this to in the next video, guys. I will do survival, guys. I don't the goal, but it's fine. Done, guys. And then this here. But now I'm gonna build first with the red. I first make this one here. I'm gonna start here and then I end here. Wait, come and see the meters. Yeah. No, not there. Not that side. Yeah. And then yeah. Come and see the meters again. And then I will go here. This one. Don't worry about that stuff there. And then I forgot how to play Minecraft. Didn't know to start with. But guys, I'm gonna make a double story. Double decker house. Yo? That one. No, delete it. And then go down. Stay down. Make there. And leave that open. Put that door here. That there. Guys, comment guys if this is a right house. done with that, then make that there. But with the roof, I'm gonna make wait quick guys. Come I go there to that. Village place here, village like place. Yeah, this place is went out. Come I see in the chest. Nothing in the chest. Nothing. Maybe they still gonna come. Now it's here's a more place here. Yeah. That was maybe here for years. For years and years and years. I'm gonna walk through night and day guys. To make this house. Okay guys. Almost lost row left to do. But then I must still do the floor and the windows. And still the roof cut for the yeah. Cut down like there. There. No, that don't look right. Done. And the red. Look at how quick I do it. See how quick I do it guys. But after this I'm gonna do the windows. Then the floor. The floor is lost. The way last one is the you're there. I forgot to do there. The way last one is the other house on top. It's gonna be right there. See guys, and then the windows. Come I see the thing must be there. See there's a lake in the middle. In the street in the middle. Yo, I'm clumsy. This one, when I'm done with this one, I'm going to that one. Yo, night and day. Okay guys, yo, I was quick here. Didn't think I was here now. I was daydreaming. The chicken out. Oh, the chicken is out. Coffee. Golf. Done with that, yeah. And then we need to break the floor. That. If I do there, press there, delete there. Oh, it's fine. I have a lot of those left. block. Like that. Almost done, guys. The other video, guys, I will show you guys how I do inside of the house. I will like put like pictures there by the wind, yeah, and then light hanging down, and fire thing is just there in that corner. A fire pot thing. Almost done. Oh no. Guys, I will make another video of the inside of the house. And on top of the house. Almost done. I was so long make the do this. I wish I have a person who can help me make the double story. Story double. Fly. Okay guys, look at guys, I was done. I just posted a video guys. But guys, I'm done with the house guys. But I will do the next one outside. Wait, the next one there on top. But guys, look here. Guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and please subscribe. And guys, see you in the next video. Peace.